Welcome back to Bud's Builds, where we build it, break it, and improve it, one buzz at a time. So today, we're actually doing some outside work. Is that we have a area where the water flow is coming in, and it's actually undermining a retaining wall that we have. We're going to put some drainage in and try to fix that problem, route the water from the problem area to the pond. So let's get buzzed. Here's a better shot of the area that's being washed out by the water when it rains. The hope is to be able to fix this where it will stop getting worse, and then also to try to rebuild this to correct it. I do want to put a large retaining wall up here, so if anyone has any good videos on retaining walls, please drop a comment in the comment section of what to look at. I'd love to do wood or the large couple ton concrete barriers. There used to be drainage here that is all clogged up with dirt, and the source of the water, though, is the water comes up from the hill and comes straight down here and then down through this area here. So we're going to put some drainage lines in, one about right where the tractor's at, and then one somewhere in that area with the French drain the whole way to collect the water. Coming to a collection point, we're going to use a sump here, and then the water is going to flow down to the pond. So we got the hole dug for the sump pit. Now we're about to push through the wall underneath the concrete so we can bring the line in through here to connect to the sump. Alright, so now we got the hole dug. We're going to take another scoop or two out and then put a base layer of rock in, compact it down, and that way it won't move in the winter. And then it's hard to tell if you can see or not, but we have the hole here right there, so it should be a downward slope of the whole thing. Should be ready to go. Alright folks, we just cut a wire, but we're not exactly sure where it goes. We do have a line running from the house to the garage, but the power's still on in the garage, so it wasn't this one. Anyway, we're going to keep moving forward. First, we're going to check it, see if it's a live wire, and then we'll, if it's not, then we'll just keep going. Alright, we tested the line. That side. We're not getting any voltage, and we don't have a trip breaker, so I'm not sure exactly what that line's for, but it's not live, so we're going to continue on. What we're going to do next is continue on to right about here, and that's where we're going to put the drainage receptacle, and then the line's going to go through here all the way to the collection point. We're going to do that, and then we're going to start doing the other line, which is going to be somewhere right in here. So if you can see the PVC line there, that's the line that I was worried about. That's the line that feeds the garage. So we were able to find that. Luckily, we didn't break it, just dumb luck. And anyway, we're gonna dig out. That's gonna change my plans a little bit. I was gonna put the collection receptacle right on top of it. However, now we're just gonna move it back 6 inches to a foot. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. All we gotta do now is smooth out this line. Then we're gonna pack it down and put rock in. Alright, so we got the hole about where we want with a decent grade. It's probably too much of a grade. You're supposed to only 1/4 inch for each foot. We're probably a couple inches too much, but that's alright. It's just water. We're not worried about solids going through this, so we're putting down the fabric. We're going to push this down. That dirt needs to come out of there. We're going to push this down, put rock down, and then cover it up. Put the pipe down, and then cover it with rock.
Feel free to just...
And right about here, you're going to hear the wind start to pick up a little bit, and then catastrophe strikes. We had to mute the audio again here. I'm a little ashamed to say that I was probably saying some words here that aren't fit for public consumption. All in all, the camera turned out all right. Just a couple few beauty marks to show that it's a used camera now. All right, folks. We had a little spill with the camera, so we continue without it. Okay, so we got this kind of finished up. We got the outlet below grade. We're going to put some rocks down, kind of funnel it down into there. Where we've got it. Got rocks in there. We got the fabric down. All the way to the sump basin. And then the sump basin goes out around the hill. And you can probably see the line right there. We're going to cut the line, put it right into the pond. Alright, we'll get more when we're done. Alright, now we're showing the end result. I am going to put some more rock up there to make this level. I mean, the reality of it is that we'd love to strip off about 1 or 2 inches of this topsoil, and we'd love to put rock in for the entire thing to make kind of more of a rock garden. Grass won't grow here because there's a huge hickory tree that blocks all the sunlight in the summer and definitely in the winter. And then we're not going to cover up the sump right now. We are going to have those other 2 lines that we're going to be putting in the future. Here's just a quick shot of the end result. This is the outlet pipe. Is that this is non-perforated corrugated pipe, and it'll be heading out to the pond. Hey folks, appreciate you coming along for the ride. We ended up only putting the 1 line in. Ended up losing my helpers a little bit early, and then I had to make a trip into town, so didn't get the rest of it. We're gonna put the rest of it in probably in a weekend or 2, and get that job completed, and then move on to the next one. But in the meantime, decided to break into the peanut butter busted knuckle again from Quaffon, from you'll remember from the last video. And anyway, until next time, stay buzzed.